little friends. Welcome to Learn to Write ABC. Let's write A. Start at 1 and join the dots. Can you write it in your notebook? A. Great writing. Let's write B. Start at 1 and join the dots. Write B with me. B. Beautiful. Let's write C. Join the dots carefully. C. Cats love the letter C. Let's write D. Join the dots carefully. D. Dogs love the letter D. Let's write E. Join the dots carefully. E. Big letter E. Let's write F. Join the dots carefully. F. Fancy letter F. Let's write G. Join the dots carefully. G. Great letter G. Let's write H. Join the dots carefully. H. Happy letter H. Let's write I. Join the dots carefully. I. Interesting letter I. Let's write J. Join the dots carefully. J. Joyful letter J. Let's write K. Join the dots carefully. K. Keep going with K. Let's write L. Join the dots carefully. L. Lovely letter L. Let's write M. Join the dots carefully. M. Marvelous letter M. Let's write N. Join the dots carefully. N. Nice letter N. Let's write O. Join the dots carefully. O. Outstanding letter O. Let's write P. Join the dots carefully. P. P. Perfect letter P. Let's write Q. Join the dots carefully. Q. Q. Queenly letter Q. Let's write R. Join the dots carefully. R. R. Ready for letter R. Let's write S. Join the dots carefully. S. Let's write T. Join the dots carefully. T. T. Terrific letter T. Let's write U. Join the dots carefully. U. U. Useful letter U. Let's write V. Join the dots carefully. V. V. Very good letter V. Let's write W. Join the dots carefully. W. W. Wonderful letter W. Let's write X. Join the dots carefully. X. X. Exciting letter X. Let's write Y. Join the dots carefully. Y. Y. Yes, letter Y. Let's write Z. Join the dots carefully. Z. Z. Zany letter Z. Great job, everyone! Now you know how to write the alphabet from A to Z. If you had fun writing today, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and join us for more learning adventures. See you next time. Bye bye.